Hi, this is Justin from Whiting Services Heating and Air Conditioning. Today we have a high efficiency condensing furnace. The occupant stated that the furnace would run for a little while and then shut off. And she did a little bit of her own diagnostic and determined there was a pressure switch fault. She also noticed that the problem was not occurring recently in the last few weeks. We are in springtime now. Temperatures are getting around high 50s at nighttime. She said it's been running okay. So did a diagnostic, checked everything out on the furnace. Furnace seemed to be okay. No problems. It wasn't tripping off. Everything seemed to be okay. I come out here and I see that the end of the exhaust line, it looks like the homeowner installed a screen here. And this screen, you can see, has very small holes. When it's really cold out, condensation that's coming out with the exhaust gases will collect on the screen and actually freeze. And this whole screen will turn into a block of ice, which will block the products of combustion, and pressure switch will trip. So basically what you'll see is the unit will run for about a few minutes, we'll say 10 minutes maybe, until it gets enough moisture on here, which will freeze and block the flow of gases coming out. That'll trip the pressure switch, and then unit will not run. It'll try to start a few more times and then go into lockout. If it ends up warming up during the day, that ice will melt and you'll be able to run the furnace, at least until the outdoor air temperature gets below freezing, and then process repeats itself. The correct way to put screens on the end of your vent system is this one here. As you can see, we inserted some wire screen in there. The manufacturers call for a screen that has no smaller than 1/4 inch opening in the holes, so you can't go any smaller than 1/4 inch. These are about 1/2 inch maybe. We found that it works great. We actually purchased this screen material in large rolls, and then we cut them to fit and insert them in there, and they work great. Keep a bunch of material in the truck, and they've never failed us. So this is what we would recommend doing. Definitely don't want to do anything like that. And I'm going to take this last one off. You can see it just inserts in like that. That way you don't get any birds flying in there. Little kids can't throw a ball down there. That's basically it. Give us a call for any residential or commercial heating or air conditioning needs. Thank you very much and have a great day.